guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful ideas. Red and green baskets, crochet basket patterns. I hope you like it. Latest and most beautiful crochet basket styles, ideas, and different colors and different style as a gifting and latest ideas for girls and women's like men's different styles, basket looks, crochet pattern, and stylish basket pattern like green and red color combination and different round shapes and stylish looks. So I hope you like it. New and latest ideas, crochet pattern. Crochet basket is a great project for organizing and adding a handmade touch to your home. Here are a basic guide to get you started, and different thicker and stiffer uh, yarn works well. So for sturdy basket and well, softer yarn is better for decorative or storage basket. So I hope you like it. Select a crochet hook. This hook size should match the yarn weight you are chosen, and check the yarn label of recommendation. I hope you like it. So different and latest, remember that you can customize the